Hey, what's good guys? My name is John, aka Recreation, and today I'll be customizing a pair of Air Force 1's. Okay, so first things first, what you want to do is prepare the shoe. We're going to take our Angelus Deglazer cotton pad, and we're going to go ahead and rub generously throughout the shoe. What this does is it removes the factory finish, allowing the paint to adhere a lot better. Alright, so next step would be to mask off the soles. What this will do is prevent paint from getting on them. If you're a beginner, I do recommend it. Today, I'm feeling extra confident, so I will do without.
Okay, thought I'd never make it like no way. I'm the real deal, no role play. My days off, that's no days. No, I hustle hard, yeah, I'm rose. E be the shooter, that's cold case. Those on the deals, that's brose. Got no pay, don't no
Okay,
say.
so let's get started on the cheeseburger. So to start off, I'm going to use the Angelus flat brush. What I'm doing is applying a thin coat. I want to make sure to get inside every little crease, edge, making sure everything's covered. Ultimately, it leads to a better custom. For these smaller areas, I'm actually going to use smaller angular brush. So for the lettuce, I'm gonna go ahead and use our Angelus spotter. The lettuce is in a funky shape, so it allows me to get what I like to use in, okay, so, you know what, I'm just gonna do the cheese. Next, I'm gonna paint the cheese. Again, I'm using the small angular brush. It allows me to be a lot more precise. Right, so next up, we're gonna be painting the burger patty and the lettuce. For this part, I'm gonna be using the Angelus spotter and the angled brush again. Okay, so now that we have the burger and fries taken care of, let's move on to the toe box and work on the pizza. And I know that Angelus doesn't advise this, but today I'm feeling a bit crazy, so I'm gonna paint some cheese dripping down to the sole. So you'll notice that after the first coat, it'll look a little streaky. What you want to do is hit it with the heat gun and apply more coats to give it a more solid look. All right, and so for the outer edge of the swoosh, I'm going to use a 0 spotter. All right, so we're going to move to the back of the shoe and work on the logo. For this, I'm going to use the paint that we previously mixed, as well as our Angelus 2 Soft. We're gonna go ahead and mix a 1:1 ratio. So not only does the 2 Soft leave the threading in its natural state, it also allows paint to get absorbed a lot easier. Okay, so now that we have the logo colored in, we're gonna heat set it for 3 to 5 minutes. So now that we have all the foods set in place, time to top it off with some matte acrylic finisher. When putting on the finisher, you want to make sure that you apply thin coats. Alright, so once you apply that matte acrylic finisher, be sure to hit it with a heat gun. Alright, so to add some extra oomph, we're going to add some white leather laces from Lace Lab. Alright guys, so there you have it. We have the Air Force Munchies. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and feel free to comment below. Also, you can find me at rec.creation on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Until next time, peace.
Yo. Raising the Tobagos, we growing like fresh tomatoes. Them boys on fire, too fuego. We pass it round, hot potato. Everything is nuevo. I'm with my sweetie like Quavo. Need my cheese, need that queso. Need my bread, need that bankroll. Wake up, yes Lord, I'm thankful. Another day on my schedule. Steady blocking the devil. I tell a hater, God bless you. Cherish moments that special. You gotta keep the memento. If you love me, then I love you, and I could never forget you.
Is it playing on a plane? How to play? I'm just playing.